Hey YouTube, welcome back. Hey, in today's episode we're going to change out the undercarriage, the rollers, the bottom rollers and the top roller on the tracks. The old ones have gotten pretty well per shot for quite some time. I've been running them anyway. And then when I put it in the drink, got the motor in now, but when we pulled it out, I probably pushed them over the extreme, and I watched one of the bearings kind of physically fall out of the roller, one of the rollers, the other day. So I went ahead and ordered new ones. You know, they vary in price from 93 bucks a piece to 200 and something, 220 bucks, something like that if you order through John Deere. And so it takes 8 of them, so I got those 8. Just got to release the pressure, the grease pressure off, loosen the track, and I'll pull the top roller and the 4 on each side bottom rollers, and we'll get this job done. Hey, I appreciate you joining me this week. Let's get after it. Welcome to my life. So just loosen this right here to let the track sag. And the grease comes out the top there. But I really don't need to let much out because the pressure's already off. There it goes, see it? Yo, okay, that's probably plenty. Just for you to see what it does. All right, let's get these things out. Oh yeah, that's all right. I'd say it's more than shut. Wow, that is gone. And that one's all right, and that one's all right. They're not great, but they're all right. That's shot. All right, now we're doing this. Aren't you? Man, pump, dead, your brake rocker. That wasn't good. They're tight. Been on here a while. It's a good thing I'm fat now. When I was in the military, I probably couldn't do this. I was too skinny. Now that I lay around and eat bonbons every day, I can get her done. Yeah, I'd say that shot. The bearings are gone. That's all they are. Nothing to them. Tight. Get a little hammer. All right, one is in. Just needs to be tightened. Fine. Excuse the tight one. I know my one guy isn't gonna like that because I didn't do it in order. My thought is it gives me room to swing in here. That one's probably gonna be easy. It's the side ones that are tight. It's actually going a lot easier than I thought. I should shut it up before I get done, but I actually need tracks too, so if anybody wants to donate tracks, they can do commercial for you. These were a chore. I ordered these from a company and got them in. They're supposed to be for 27D, and when I got them in, they didn't fit. And evidently there's two versions for 27D, and I got the wrong one, of course. So that was exciting. Company made it right though. That was good. Yeah, I don't know if these were bad, but I'm replacing them, so replace the whole thing. If these ones fit, because I know they're gonna be tight. Of course. Hook this fitting to there, and then pump her up, and it'll force the front out, sprocket out, and it'll pull the track tight. If I agree. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, let me swap out grease. That one just moves around. Look at that. I don't know if I can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but look at that thing. It moves around inside there. That one was shot. For sure. Look at that one. That one moves. That one's shot. What do you think? That one moves? Look at that. And that one was toast. I'd say that was the worst one. That one's still pretty stiff. That one's still pretty stiff. This one has a little movement. It's not terrible, but it's got some movement. That one's got movement. Not terrible, but got movement. This one's wobbly. That one's dead. So we had, this one's super stiff. So we had 2 decent ones, 4 bad ones, and 2 that are about shot. And I don't think the rollers were too terrible, the top rollers, but they're replaced. All right, we got the drone up in the air. It's looking at us. That's me looking at me, looking at me, looking at me, looking at me. Anyway, like a little ending for you. Hey everybody, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.